Add cinnamon sticks to the vinegar and even your neighbors will notice the fragrance. Your house will smell amazing, free of flies and mosquitoes. You need to try it today. Everyone asks me what the secret is to my house always smelling so good, so now I'm going to teach you how to do it. To start, put a few cinnamon sticks in a saucepan. Then add a cup of room temperature water, about 8 ounces. Then turn on the stove and let it boil for a few minutes. For those who don't know, cinnamon is a powerful ally against flies and mosquitoes that insist on appearing. What's more, it has an incredible smell and can transform any room. After boiling, turn off the stove and leave to cool. Once cool, strain the mixture. We only need the concentrated cinnamon liquid. Now transfer everything to a spray bottle. Add a capful of fabric softener. You can use your favorite, but if possible, choose a concentrated fabric softener. This will give a better result and a stronger fragrance. Also, add a cup of white vinegar. Only white alcohol vinegar works for this. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of dishwashing detergent. You can use any dishwashing detergent you have at home. Close the spray bottle and shake it to combine all the ingredients. With this, your home will be completely mosquito-free and won't have that lingering smell of pet urine. This simple solution can keep your home smelling fresh 24 hours a day. It's also excellent for keeping away insects such as flies, mosquitoes, spiders, and even cockroaches. You can spray it in strategic places in your home, such as the bedroom, living room, bathroom, or wherever you like. It is excellent for neutralizing bad odors, especially that musty smell when the house is closed up for a while. It's also great for removing pet odors, especially if you have dogs lying on the sofa. This product is very cheap and easy to make. As you probably already have all the ingredients at home, don't be surprised if all your guests ask why your house smells so good. This is the well-kept secret that is now yours, so don't hesitate to try it at home and enjoy all those wonderful benefits. I'm sure you and your family will love it.